Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Ledger Wallet, one of the industry's leading hardware wallets. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or just starting your journey, understanding how to safeguard your digital assets is paramount. So let's unravel what Ledger offers and determine if it's the ultimate security solution for your crypto holdings in 2025. To find out more about the Ledger Wallet and find help using cryptocurrencies safely, simply click the link in the description below. First, let's get acquainted with Ledger. Founded in 2014, Ledger has established itself as a pioneer in providing secure hardware wallets designed to protect cryptocurrencies from online threats. With over 6 million devices sold across 200 countries, Ledger's reputation in the cryptocurrency community is well founded. Now let us talk about the main features of Ledger. Ledger offers a range of hardware wallets, each tailored to meet different user needs. Let's delve into their main products. There is the Ledger Nano S Plus. It is priced at $79 and the device is an evolution of the original Nano S. It supports over 5,500 cryptocurrencies and tokens and providing ample storage for multiple assets. The package includes a micro USB-B cable, and for Android users there is an OTG kit that is available separately at a different price. There is the Ledger Nano X wallet. Priced at $149, the Nano X offers Bluetooth connectivity, allowing seamless pricing with mobile devices. It also supports over 5,500 assets and comes with a USB-C cable, making it compatible with modern Android smartphones out of the box. There's the Ledger Stacks. This is Ledger's most advanced wallet yet, featuring a sleek design and enhanced functionalities for the tech-savvy user. And of course, there's the Ledger Flex. It is the latest addition, boasting a next-generation secure touchscreen, combining security with user-friendly navigation. Complementing these hardware wallets is the Ledger Live. It is Ledger's proprietary software application. Ledger Live serves as a comprehensive platform enabling users to manage multiple assets from Bitcoin to Ethereum and a plethora of altcoins, real-time portfolio tracking to help monitor your portfolio's performance with up-to-date market data, integrated transactions to buy, sell, swap, and stake cryptocurrencies directly within the app, streamlining your crypto management experience, NFT management, to securely manage your NFT collections, ensuring your digital art and collectibles are safely stored, and the DeFi integration to access decentralized finance applications, allowing you to engage in lending, borrowing, and other DeFi activities securely. Security is the cornerstone of Ledger's offerings. Each device incorporates secure element chips. These are tamper-resistant chips that securely store private keys, providing a robust defense against physical attacks, two-factor authentication that adds an extra layer of security, ensuring that only authorized users can access the wallet, recovery seed phrases, which during setup users are provided with, a 24-word recovery phrase with an optional 25th word known as the passphrase for added security. And this phrase is actually crucial for recovering your assets if the device is lost or if it is damaged. There are also firmware updates. These regular updates ensure that security protocols remain up to date, safeguarding against emerging threats. Now let us talk about the pricing. As mentioned earlier, Ledger's hardware wallets are competitively priced. For example, the Ledger Nano S Plus is priced at $79 and the Ledger Nano X is priced at $149. These prices include the essential accessories, although an additional item like an OTG kit will be needed for Android connectivity. They are available for purchase separately. What are the pros and cons of using Ledger? First, we talk about the pros. Extensive asset support. With support for over 5,500 cryptocurrencies and tokens, users have a wide range of assets that they can securely store. User-friendly interface. Both the hardware and Ledger Live application are designed with user experience in mind, and that makes cryptocurrency management straightforward. Enhanced security measures and mobile compatibility. What are the cons? Ledger is a closed source firmware. Unlike some competitors, Ledger's device firmware isn't fully open sourced. There's customer support delays. Some users have reported that. Past data breach. In July 2020, there is news that Ledger experienced a marketing database breach leading to unauthorized access to customer data. While they've since updated their data storage practices, this is a notable event that you might want to consider. In conclusion though, Ledger stands out as a formidable player in the realm of cryptocurrency security. Its combination of robust hardware, comprehensive software, and a commitment to continuous improvement positions it as a top choice for many. However, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons thoroughly before making a choice. But ultimately, whether Ledger is the ultimate security solution for your crypto in 2025 depends on your individual preferences and requirements. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Zengo, Coinbase, and Best Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.